Hi guys, today I am out in the Columbia River Gorge. They just recently reopened the old highway. It's been closed for almost a year now because of the big forest fire that was in the Eagle Creek area, but it's finally open. So today we are going to drive down the old highway and we'll make several stops at some of the multiple waterfalls. We're not going to do the ones that you have to hike in quite a bit to, like Bridal Veil. We just recently did Bridal Veil a month ago, so I'll leave a link to that video if you guys want to go check that out. My main goal is to go to Multnomah Falls, and I'm hoping we could walk up to the bridge area. It's been gated off for, the year. We weren't able to get on the trail, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it's open. So let's go and explore the Columbia River Gorge and see as many waterfalls as we can today. First stop, we are at the Women's Forum viewpoint. Gorgeous view of the gorge and the Vista House. Check it out. Now we're at the Vista House. Now we are at Lateral Falls. We're going to hike down and get a closer look. This one's beautiful. I love this one. Next waterfall stop is Shepherd's Dell. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go on the trail because the trail is closed, but you can see it from the highway here. I'll get out on the bridge and show you what we can see from here. You can still see some of the places where the fire has done damage a year later. Area that was closed off. We just passed Joaquina Falls, and unfortunately the parking lot is completely full, so we had to pass that one up, and we're coming up on, I believe, Multnomah Falls here in a second, and fingers crossed that there's a spot to park, as I would love to do this today. By Multnomah Falls as well because that lot is full, but one thing about Multnomah Falls is there's a lot on the other side off the freeway. We just have to go through the rest of the old highway, loop back around onto the freeway. So we'll get to Multnomah Falls eventually, just not right now. So we're going to continue down the old highway. This is really cool. It's still fenced in places, but it's really interesting seeing just all of the damage. We are on our way to Oneonta. I believe that's how you say it. I always struggle with that word. It's a waterfall that you have to actually hike into. You got to walk through the water to get to the waterfall. We are not doing that today because it's way too cold, but I have done that a couple of years ago. We were out here in the summer, so I'll link to that video if you guys are interested in seeing that. It was spectacular. But we are going to go up here and check out the tunnel. There used to be a tunnel. It was a wooden tunnel that you walk through, a pedestrian one, and we're curious to see the damage. So to get to the waterfall, like I said earlier, you have to actually walk through all the water, and somewhere in the middle there's this huge log jam and rocks. I'm really curious if that's still there because of the fire. How far did the fire come? We'll have to come back here obviously in a better season when it's warmer. It's so sad. I love this waterfall. It's gorgeous. I am going to insert some photos of the tunnel before. I'll go through all my pictures and insert one here so you can see what it looked like before the fire. Horsetail Falls, and same thing, parking lot is full. We'll have to make another go at this, maybe during the weekdays when it's not so busy. I definitely want to come back in the winter when it's all icy. Oh, so gorgeous. So we'll come back and we'll see the ones we missed. What was that? Waukena Falls, Horsetail Falls. We're gonna go do Multnomah Falls now. We're on the freeway. We'll be there in a second. So I will see you guys when we get there. Trail is open, so we're gonna hike up to the bridge. Want to do still that I've never done, and I've lived here my whole entire life. I've never hiked all the way to the very top. I don't know if you can right now because of the fires, but eventually that is a bucket list thing I want to do, just not today. today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed our adventure coming out to the Columbia River Gorge. It was awesome getting out and about, doing a little hiking, enjoying the nice weather. I love weather like this, a little overcast. Perfect. It's not too hot, not too cold. It was wonderful getting to see some of the stuff we haven't been able to see in over a year's time. We'll be back again and we'll check out the waterfalls that we weren't able to get to because of the parking lots being full. Alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for many more random life adventures. I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to click the notification bell so you know when that is. And don't forget to check out my Instagram so you can see all the pictures I took today. Alright, have a great day guys. Bye for now.